Hey y'all, it's Saturday, you guys, and it's 3:51 right now. Hey, let's go see how much we can make today. Let's go see how much we can make today, and I'm ready. At least I want to make 50. At least I want to make 50, you guys. So, but it seems like it's slow because from home I am on. And right now I'm almost at Walmart, and there is not even bad orders have been popping up in my phone. Like, it's quiet. That's how I know that it's gonna be like slow day. I don't know, but let me go check. I was sitting in my house and just keep sleeping, doing nothing. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go make at least 50. Let me go make $50 at least. So let's go check, you guys. And I didn't work yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. If you worked yesterday, how was it? Like after Christmas, was it like a very good day? Was it busy? Yo, I didn't work yesterday. So you guys, they gave me the order. They didn't give to me. It's one of those orders that they give to everybody. So I was like, you know what, let me take this. Because they just increased the money. Before it was $11 for 3 mayo. And it's a shopping order. I was like, I'm not taking this. But they just put now on $12. I'm like, you know what? I've been sitting here for over 10 minutes. Why not take this order? So I took it. And I'm going to shop. It's only 2 items, y'all. It's only 2 items that I'm going to shop. So, easy order. Easy. So I'm going to do a shopping order, you guys. I'm going to show you like how I'm able to shop first. If you are new to Spark, maybe this tip is gonna help you in some way or another. I don't know, but let me just show you guys how I'm able to shop. Maybe fast. My hair is getting bad again. Out of cart. We don't have carts, y'all, so I'm only going to get 2 items. I'm not gonna take cart because there's not cart. I feel like everybody's in the store today. Like everybody's in the store. The item that I'm coming to shop is not here. It was supposed to be over here on one, but it's empty. So I'm about to tell the customer that it's not here. They just gave me another aisle to go check them out. So I'm going to that aisle that they just sent me to go check them out. So I'm going to aisle 26. 26 aisle. So this is 16 and that's 18 and that's 20. So we're going to 26. So this is 26 and I'm going to section 15. So do you see here? This is section 5. This is section 6. So let's go all the way to section 15. Section 12. This is section 14. And this is section 15. There. And they say modular 1. So the modular thing is these ones. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 15. This is 14. So they told us to look for modular 1. So which is there. So they have it. And I think I need 4 of this. Oof. I need 4 of this. Oof, I can't reach it, yeah. So now I'm going, I got everything, so now I'm going to scan them. So you have to scan in this barcode. Okay, now I got what I wanted. It's 4 of them. Now let me go to my last aisle, which is 36, aisle 36. So this is 36 and I'm going to section. This is the section, like the whole thing here is aisle 36 and this is the section. So I'm going on section 24. So this is 21, this is 22, this is section 23 and this is section 24. And I'm going to section 23 here and major 3, I mean major 4. So this one here, it's major, this one here, this one, it's major 1, this is 2, this is 4, so mine is 4. So I'm guessing it's this one, so I'm going to scan this one because it says major 4, modular. So this is everything I'm going to check out. So we have to scan this one. You gotta scan that one. So this is everything I'm going to check out. So now I'm done. And let's go deliver it. Let's go deliver it, yeah. Okay, I just delivered, y'all, and the delivery was she had to sign it, so I didn't show you that because I had to knock on the door and she had to come outside and sign for her order, and they gave me an ID because I bought those little alcohol things. So, and the other thing, you guys, if you want to deliver alcohol things, you need to do those certifications because it helps. Sometimes I get like a lot of orders because I have that certification to deliver alcohol. So you need to go ahead and do the test. Okay, you guys, 4:51 right now, and I just got another shopping order, $11, and it's going 3 miles, and I'm shopping for 3 items only. So when I'm doing $11, and I love it to be like under 5 items, that's fantastic. And with the mile, $11 for 3 mile, it's okay because I'm only shopping for 3 items, so it's good. And it's slow, you know. When it's slow, baby, you don't have to be over like too picky. Whatever comes your way, you click on it. So let's go shop for this order, our second order, you guys. So we are going on aisle 2 and the section. So as I said, this is section 1, this is section 2, that's section 3. So we're going on section, so I'm going on section 18, which I know is all the way down there, all the way at the end of the aisle. So I'm still showing you guys. So that's 16. That is 17. And this is 18. And I'm looking for the modular. I think they say modular, I don't know. 11. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So I know they say 11, which is here. So it's this one. So I have to scan this one. Next, I'm going to aisle 33, which I know where I'm going. It's all the way in the fridge items. I'm going to give me some milk. So let's go. The person need 3 of this. I'm going to give my last item, and they said aisle 10, section 10, and the modular 1. So let's go. Let's go. So this is aisle 10 here. Aisle 10. And we know we're going on section 8. So section 8 is all the way up there. Section 10 is here. Section 10 and module 1. I think it's this one. Let me go check. No, it's module 7. Modular 7. So this one. So they need this one. 2 of this. 2 of this. And I'm going to scan it. So we are done with everything. Now we're going on a checkout. I am here. Okay, you guys, we only did 2 orders. We only did two orders, and right now it's 5. It's almost 6. Let me see what time it is. Okay, y'all, just got another order. $32, you guys. It's a shopping order, and we only shopping for 23 items. 23 items. So let's go. And it's going 6 miles. I think this is gonna be my last order, y'all. Okay, you guys, I am done delivering, y'all. So this last order, oh my gosh, I just delivered to the most scariest place. I'm like, no, let me end my shift right now. I'm not taking no more orders. I'm going home. Yo, this place was so scary, and you see how dark it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going home. I'm so glad that I made the money that I say I wanted to make. So it's okay, let's just go home. And by the way, it's 6:30 right now. 6:30, and it's too dark. Too dark. So we only did 3 orders today, and I made $56. Thank God, I'm thankful. So Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you enjoy this kind of content, please thumbs up, comment down below anything that you want me to do or to change. I love you. Bye guys.